to be an army man.
I want to be an artist.
I want to be a scientist.
The IGT, this is our 40th After School Advantage Centre, the 18th in Trinidad. What it does is we work with NGOs in assisting and helping socially disadvantaged among us.
So I would just like to thank IGT on behalf of the board from Credo Foundation for Justice for this initiative. It is going to help our children tremendously with all the developmental programs that we do, including the Homework Center.
On behalf of Credo Foundation for Justice, I would like to say a heartfelt thank you for your generous contribution towards our educational development and future achievement.